So today's June 25th, and this is our water lily. My son loves to play with this water lily. I tell him not to, but he puts sticks, and we have bamboo sticks. He throws rocks in it, everything. And this is hardy. It was gifted to me from a good friend who lives in Bellevue, Washington. And I tried growing water lotus, and they died over winter. So I spent a couple hundred, and I learned my lesson. And my friend, when I came to his house, he had it set up sort of like this, and it looks great. So I asked him about it, and he gifted me some roots, and I brought it home, and I have it set up since then. You can see, don't do anything. It's very low maintenance once you have it set up. My pink one is over here, and it did bloom a couple weeks earlier, but I don't have any blooming right at this moment. But I have another yellow one that's gonna pop up pretty soon. And you can see it's so healthy and it looks so pretty. I wish I can grow more varieties of these water lilies. They're definitely more recommended for our area compared to water lotus, which is sensitive to frost. So I hope you enjoy this quick video on my water lily. How's it doing since I got it.